18 divided by parenthesis 5 minus 2 plus 3. We first of all solve our parenthesis, which is 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 will give us 3. Then we put down our 18 divided by 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 will give us 6. Then we are left with 18 divided by 6. 18 divided by 6 will give us 3. 3 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let's solve the right answer to this expression. First of all, we solve our parentheses, which is 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 will give us 3. Then we have 18 divided by 3 plus 3. We work from our left to our right because division comes before addition. So we work from our left to our right. 18 divided by 3 will give us 6. Then we have 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.